Good morning, everybody. AmpRepairGuy.com, 203-892-4119. Also, HarbachElectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. So we have a AL80 in for repair, classic. So I'm going to go through it, do some revisions to it. This thing's super clean. It's going to get a brand new set of SO239s from Max Gain Systems. I'll test the tube to see what the condition is. If it needs a tube, it'll get a brand new Pentalab tube. Awesome company. Awesome. So I'll put in some meter protection diodes. This does not have the 10 meter mod done, so I'm going to do the 10 meter mod. First time I've ever done it, so it's not easy like the other ones. I'm going to have to add a relay, a coil, and a capacitor. So anyway, I'm going to get to work, and I will see you guys soon. Super early here because I switch it up. So today I'm working on an amp first, then a hardbot kits. Usually, sometimes do hardbot kits first, then work on the amp. So anyway, time to work. See you guys soon. Please like, share, and subscribe. Just wanted to show the 120 to 240 connection strip here. It's wired for 120. Had some substandard wires, just really not done right, so I added new ones. Silver plated center, stranded with Teflon dielectric, so that's good. Brand new SO239s from Max Gain Systems. And it has the proper size fuse in it. Okay, so I'm going to put the cover back on, and I'm going to put a tube in it and test it. And I'll go over everything I did after. Okay, see you guys soon. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al80. Customer wanted to see it working on 40 meters, so I'm going to do a quick test video on 40. So he has a really old Chinese tube. High potted it, looks okay. I'm testing it with my tube. I'll check his real quick. I suggest that you get a new one because the older brown base ones are prone to failing, but he said he wants to use that, so I said that's totally up to him, but can't, if anything happens, I can't warranty it, anything related to his tube failing. So that rarely happens where someone doesn't want to get a new tube at the dealer price. If it was a newer Chinese one, it'd be one thing with like a white ceramic base. If it high potted, okay, but the old brown base ones, I always strongly recommend replacing. And the customer can obviously have them back. Okay, so here are all the settings. Let's see it working on 40 meters. Radio set to roughly 60-70 watts, about 70 watts. 1 kW slug, Bird 43 with the factory Bird PEP kit. Going into a Bird attenuator load, audio hello, a little over 800, tit, audio hello, audio hello, voltage, and then put it, sorry, audio hello, tit, audio hello, should put it in some voltage. Audio, halo, tit, audio, hello, and it's working as it should. I do not have this lamp. Told the customer he's okay with it, so if he finds one, he can replace it. So I'm gonna let the tube cool off for a sec, and then I'll shut it off and unplug it and let the high voltage bleed down, and then go in there and sort out any residual voltage that could possibly be left and show you everything I did. Okay, I'll see you guys soon. Stay tuned. Okay, so here's the inside of the AL80. I'll show you everything I did. So I had to clean one of the plates for the plate tune air variable cap. You can see it right there. Wasn't crazy bad, so I was able to save it. So I didn't put a series glitch resistor in this one. It was just too risky getting down in there. These are a lot smaller than the AL80A and Bs. So I did put in gas discharge tubes, and I insulated it with some silicone to stop it from moving around. Also the ceramic disc cap, because they're just so close to each other. I tell the customer not to hit it. This is just totally different design than the A and the B's. So they do the same thing with the with some of the Ameritron amps, where they actually use some clear silicone to hold the plate choke bypass cap in place, so it doesn't move around. You know, because during shipping and stuff, it can move around and the lead can snap. So other people do the same thing. So I tapped the tank coil for 10 meters. Oops, sorry about that. The tank coil, soldered up real nice to the band switch and the coil. I added a 10-meter input circuit. Same setup as the factory. I looked all over online. I didn't see I didn't see any pictures with 10 meters installed on one of these. So this might be the first one online. Okay, so I added a foot. It was missing a foot. Front right corner, and I put the proper spacer behind it because the other foot is below the cover for the filter cap side. So if I just put it up against the metal, this side would have wobbled back and forth. Okay, so I added new SO239 connectors. I sourced them from Max Gain Systems. Great people over there, Paul and Alan. I put in meter protection diodes. Clean the TR/bias relay really well with Deoxy Gold. Clean the band switch assembly with Deoxy Gold really well. And also the rotary switch that controls the tuned input relays. So tightened up on hardware. Just spent a lot of time on little things. So I also fixed the jumpers you saw before, and that's about it. So if you need an amp repaired, feel free to give me a call. Phone number is 203-892-4119. Websites are amprepairguy.com and also harbachellectronics.com. Please like, share, and subscribe. 73.